Now we see about what are the styling options we have in SJS. So we have CSS module and tailwind, CSS in JS, sass. So I am going to go through these two methods, that is CSS module and sass. You can refer other methods like tailwind and CSS in JS in dots. So but first let's see CSS modules. So in our directory we have page.module.css. so this is a CSS module. So if you are already familiar with React, we use CSS module. So the syntax is name.module.css. so I use any style like heading, and inside the heading I use thorough blue. Now we need to import this in our file. So we need to import styles from page.module.css. now we can use the class name as styles.heading. now we can see the color is changed to blue. So this is how CSS module works. So this is the basic of CSS module, and we have a normal CSS file, that is global CSS. So in the global CSS we can use anything like font size, rem, and we can import the global CSS in layout or any places we want, but usually we use global CSS in layout. We can see the heading is bigger than before. So this is basic CSS, and we have another option, that is sass. So to use sass we need to install the sass in our file. So I already installed. If you are not installed means you can install the sass. So Nest.js provides inbuilt sass compiler, so we don't need to use any watch sass like that. We can also use watch sass and create our separate CSS files, and we can import those separate CSS files in our application. So if you use directly sass means then we will not generate any CSS files in our file location, but in the build time it will generate the CSS. So let us create a file like home.module.scss, and inside I have para pint. So now we import this in our, I just remove this page. Now we import this in our page, styles from home.module. now we create a para, so this is sass module. So we are using sass modules. So now we can see that our palette of color is changed to pink. So this is how sass works, and we don't have any CSS file. We can also watch sass and generate the CSS file right here, but in the build we have some CSS file. So and another option we have is we can configure where to see sass files in Nest.js. Includes our own file location. So let's see. So this is the thing we need to use. So in nest config, so we included this. So the server we need to restart again. to use path. Now we restart. So then what this means then we should create a styles folder under our Nest.js tutorial styles, and inside the styles we have sass file, that is variables, and we have a variable primary, and the color is blue. Now in our home.module we can import the primary at import. So we can import the variables and we can use our primary color here. So you can see the color is changed to blue because we are using blue here. So what this configuration means, we are seeing the at import statements inside the style folder also. So that is the basic one. So we can also create, I just move this under our app, and this is also worth. So what this means we are also seeing sass files under the styles folder to import. So that is the configuration. If we change the path means, if we want under the app means, we can change the directory and inside we can go to app and we can create style folder under app. So this will look under styles folder also includes our own directory for import statements in sass. We can also use partials to ignore compiler the compiler to create CSS file. So that's our sass thing. So this is basic about styling in Nest.js. You can refer tailwind or CSS in JS in dots.